Hey everyone, so back again on this one. So yesterday, like I showed you, the diagrams are working quite good. I've been working on the same one thing which I wanted to improve was this. Now these ML diagrams are looking good, man. You can now create even ML diagrams. Really nice one on this one. So you can see I gave some prompt that's able to create these good diagrams from this. This is a complete bunch, but you can even choose a single one and then move it around that we have. So you can choose, just you have to choose from here ML machine learning and then give your prompt which you want to create it for, and then it will create it. Okay, one thing more which was not there initially and now I added it was the streaming. How comes that? Okay, so let me try it out. What kind of architecture we should try it out? Let's say that we ask it to create YouTube architecture. Okay, a good one. YouTube architecture we want. System infrastructure architecture if you want. Send. I'll click on send. Yeah, I want to clear this up. Now just wait and see the magic. So I think I'm like, also I've been following news. There are people who have been publishing some papers also on this. There are some tools which created like kind of open source, but here I think we are adding much more value along with what there is. I truly appreciate what they have been doing in that on that open source and creating it for everyone. That's amazing. Really good to see people contributing to such projects. And here we are building similar things, but still adding more features on top of it for creating different types of diagrams and storing it. You can use it for later purposes if you want to anytime. And yeah, I'll also try to show you to the extension. I think it worked. The problem was the Chrome was not updated. It was not coming up properly, but that will be maybe after this. But for now, let's see. So we are trying to give the appropriate icons for everything which you get created and not just some rectangles. Hopefully that it works for this YouTube architecture also. It's able to create it. So after taking some time, it takes some time to actually evaluate everything that what we want to create for and create a detailed version of your system architecture. I think I should be talking less about this, but more onto the what should look like. Okay, now it's creating. Cool. So it's creating user. Okay, CDN we have, load balancer we have got, API gateway we have got, web servers we have got. It's because you can see these icons it's being used. Slowly you will see it evolving everything. It's loading also. So yeah, you see something, right? It's loading, so sometimes it doesn't work. But yeah, we can wait for a few seconds or something and let it create the things completely. Monitoring also and aligning everything. We send it to what, CD send it to what, API to what, aligning everything. Yeah. Okay, wait. I'll wait. So yeah, it gives you much more good. We have kept the thing clean at the background, remove the grid page view so you can move around as per you like it. And yeah, I think it created it completely. I think it's done. So you can see user, CDN, load. Oh, I want to get more. Something is got left. Okay, no problem. So created the API gateway, then API gateway connected to search service, recommendation service, video upload services. It grouped services together also, analytics service, video processing service. Whatever I'm trying to use the appropriate icons for each one of them. Recommendation, then cache, then message queue, then NoSQL database, SQL database, search index, object storage. So these are all aligned. Then how it is being configured, where we are storing everything. It's giving the exact thing for the same, how they're grouped together. It has storage for that. And yeah, so you can see it's getting good. And one of the features which I talked to you in the last video, which I think I'm able to implement it to some extent, but we'll extend it more. So let's say that I want to add load this freehand, then I want to connect this CDN to this recommendation server. I'll just create this arrow over here. Okay, this is the arrow. That's the only thing. I'll just remove this. Good one. So I'll just first of all reduce the length for this. And okay, I want to link it to this. Okay, that's all. Now I'll just say send again, and I want to keep it. not just see it. What will happen? It's just a glimpse of what it is there, but I think it will give some idea. I'm trying to optimize it even further, but you can see how good looking icons it's able to create now. And you want to align everything, it is to group things together. Okay, this is how it should look like, this is how it's expected it to look like. Sorry, I'm trying to avoid this, but I can't avoid the my cold thing, which was there, I think, yesterday also when we created this, but a little bear with me for some time. I will try to switch to text post for a while. This gets cured completely, and I'm back to my original voice, not speaking from my nose sometime. But yeah, let us see how does this stays there. Being developing this product, co-developing actually with some of my friends, others. It's been quite a journey, to be honest. I started this around 1 or 2 years back. Yeah, and this idea was there that how we can automate this. Like ChatGPT was maybe there, but I was exploring custom ML models, how we can create. So it was quite some journey. Maybe I'll write it down sometime for that. Okay, it's back. Okay, it's creating now again a user. Okay, CDN. I can go change load balancer, web server, API gateway. Yeah, I'm thinking I should optimize it a little more to. I should not able to recreate it, maybe if it's possible. But like this is just one example which I gave. Maybe you want to do multiple edits together and then click on send so that you can save it, store it. But yeah, okay. It's creating. Okay, let it create. Again, it will try to give me. I don't try to hamper my thing. Load balancer, web server. Again, it's connecting. Oh, see that. This is the connection I was talking about. CDN to this service. Now it's able to create automatically. All I understand should happen generally with that, but it's able to create because I understood that line, that there is a line to that which we need to connect to. So you can just draw it in there and then you can get your required things created. So you can see video upload service, message queue, cache, MySQL again. This background is next object storage, similar to what it was there before, similar to that search service, with some little minor changes, but overall it remains the same. You can see. So that also got created. Maybe you can do multiple edits and then try it out. Okay, cool. Now talking about this my extension, my code extension. So I will say machine learning. Okay, machine learning models, or let's say flow chart. Machine learning only. Let's say machine learning only. ML models architecture. Okay, architecture. Let me go to some images. What all they're available? Oh, this one is good one. Feel so. But anything else we have right now which we want to? Even I would like to test it. How does it work on this one? Okay, let's try this one. For that, I'll just so let's say you're working. And just to go and click on. It will ask this permissions. First click. Okay, that's just giving you access. That's just for giving the access. When you click on next time, it will appear. See, it's appearing. It is coming there. Okay, it comes. Now you can just do is just drag and drop it here. It got there. And what you have to do is choose the select the type which you want to create for. Click on generate. Now just wait. While you're browsing, while you're doing everything, just keep on continuing with that. Whatever you have been working on here, no problem. It will take some time. I'm not saying that. I've been uploading these videos quite raw, not trying to edit anything, so you might see a little bit some noise, but overall I try to keep it raw as much as possible to relate to everyone much more as compared to doing some editing and then uploading. This is not a tutorial video for the Skemio and how it's there. I think it's just a general update and interacting with my dear audience, to my dear users who wants to join me in this, who wants to use Skemio and make it further. But let's see. Okay, so yeah, while I'm working, while I'm browsing this together, everything is being done. I think this time is still shorter than what you would have taken to actually create this yourself and then aligning them together. But yeah, obviously that depends on the results also. But again, I'm saying that will still save you a good time when you're creating these diagrams. So all this lining and everything seems like, yeah, if it's taking time, I can build it. But still, man, if it's getting created for you, why not use it? See, created for you. Now, how can I use it? And what you can do is just copy as PNG. And if you want to see it, I'll just not sure how it works, but doc.new. Yeah, I think Excalibur also we can try it, right? Excalibur, let me try Excalibur itself. See, this is the PNG. Just copied the PNG. You can see the PNG image on this one. On this, how it worked. The image which we had uploaded. Machine learning model, not in Draw.io, but in general. Images. Which one was that? Oh man, don't do like this. ML models architecture, what was, right? ML model architecture. Architecture. Texture, okay. Yeah, this one is there. See, input is there. Then there's some maps, rectangles, F maps, convolution, subsampling, output, and see here. F maps, everything is trying to get 3D, so that's why subsampling, convolution, subsampling, fully connected. Obviously, this image should not be coming, but overall, it's able to connect most part of it. Like you're able to get it as much as possible for the same. We will try to improve, but overall you can improve on this. But like, how do I improve it? With like in that itself. So when you got this access here in the Skemio, you can even go to your account. Then also you can check it if you want to, you can check it there also. But here there was option also coming for. I think it got closed because I changed the location. But otherwise, it will giving an option for OpenAnator. You can go ahead and check again. You just click on OpenAnator and it will click you there itself where you have. So you can just log into Skemio account. That also should be visible there in the sessions part. Okay. Yeah. So that's a small update for now. I think again the video got a little longer. I don't expect it today to be this much longer. For some time we will try to share some text updates. But yeah, all the best to everyone. Thank you so much for seeing this. If you have reached till end, and yeah, meet you soon. Try it out, give me some recommendations, some feedback if you have anything to share with me, and try it out. I hope you use it much more for your work and it reduces your time for creating diagrams as much as possible. To create a success, like I'm trying to achieve this percentage more and more, but it depends on how people start using it and actually find value in that, creating it and maintaining its sessions, exploring it around, whatever is there. Okay. And again, in case of any queries or anything you want to reach out to me if you're facing any issues, any issues, just you can, again, I'm writing here, kevin@skemio.com. Just reach out to me over here and I'll try to respond to you in as much less time as possible. Okay. Cool. Thank you, everyone. Bye.